Hi, this is Karthik. Welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use pictures in Microsoft Word. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to use pictures in Microsoft Word. I'm going to teach you how to use pictures in Microsoft Word using an example. Insert a picture as you like and format it as specified below. Picture height 2 and picture width 3. Picture style metal frame. Picture border red. Adjust adjust color correction. In color correction, sharpen and soften 25%. Adjust color. In color, we want to use saturation to 100%. In order to achieve this task, we need to open Microsoft Word. How to open Microsoft Word? It's quite simple. Go to search box and type Word, where you can find the Word 2016 icon. Just click the icon in order to open it. When you click the icon, it will take you to the backstage view. Click the blank document in order to enter the workspace. Now you can see the Microsoft 2016 IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. In order to insert a picture, go to Insert tab, where you can find Pictures and Online Pictures. If you wish to use a picture from this system, you want to use the option Pictures. If you wish to use a picture from online, you want to use the option Online Pictures. Click the picture icon in order to insert a picture from the local disk. Locate the image in your local drive and click the Insert. Now you can see the image is inserted from the local disk. Now we are going to insert an image using the option Online Pictures. Go to Bing image search bar and type a keyword as you like. I used the keyword bus. Now you can see the results are listed below. Select an image and click Insert. First we will save the Word document. Go to File, go to Save As, and go to Browse, and go to Desktop. If you have the folder, select the folder, or else create a new folder and provide a name to the folder. Open the folder and provide the name to the Word document and click the option Save. Now this is a time to change the properties of an image. Select the image and go to the Format tab, where you can find the height and the width of an image. Change the picture height to 2 and picture width to 3. If you change the width, the height automatically changes. If you change the height, the width automatically changes. So if any one value is right, it's okay. Next, go to Picture Style and look for the metal frame. Click the More option and look for the option Metal Frame. When you place the mouse over the style, it will provide you the name. Click the style Metal Frame. Go to the option Picture Border and select the color red. Just click on it in order to change the border color. Go to the option Adjust and go to Correction and go to Sharpen and Soften and choose the option Soften 25%. Again, go to Adjust and go to Color. In Color, select the option Saturation 200%. Just click the option. Click the Save icon in order to save your work. We have completed all the tasks. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you all in the next video.